Hi everyone, today I'm gonna make another launch on Solana chain, and today's meta is look at gold, like gold coin, all about gold because gold is really bullish lately. I'm gonna create my meme coin on Solana chain because it is the hottest right now. So and it's gonna be one of them. I'm gonna just look at them and get influenced by them, or maybe I can even just take the coin. So gold coin is the number one, and the piece, which is the gold, jot and stuff. And this is like the second biggest one. I'm guessing like it's on the second spot of trending, right? So there's another one. Gold is honestly bullish. Yeah, we sometimes you gotta listen to your dad, man. They always My dad always tells me like you gotta buy some gold. So old man is right. Yeah. But anyways, I can make my own gold. I don't care. So liquid gold could be the choice. Let's check the news pairs. So news ones is like all about them. We know. Then we check the news ones. I'm look at gold again. Peace relaunch, or it's the real one. I don't know. Maybe I'm not going over it. Yeah, this is the real one. Someone is just making the same coin. Sometimes it is easy to make the same coin instead of creating the new metal or something, like trying to come up with the stuff. I mean, I'm too lazy, obviously, so I'll just take their IPFS information on the metadata of Solana chain. Okay, this is like what I do. This is like the easiest way for me. So when I take the metadata, their name, symbol, and description in it, right? So the name is Rugpull, which is peace, and symbol is going to be PS. I could just directly copy and paste everything, but like I'm doing this like for later. It has to be like in a good shape, right? When I got to create the coin, the token, the meme coin. So this is like the IPFS image link, which I'm going to use later. Let's paste it. They got 2 account, but I'm gonna check it. Sometimes they put their contract addresses on the Twitter, so it is like it's on Twitter right now. They just put their contract address and everything. So I'm not going to use the Twitter. Also, they don't have Telegram website, anything written on the metadata. Maybe they have them, but I'm not going to use them anyways because they put their contract addresses in the links. So I'm just going to use the image. Yeah, I just saved it. That's like a really easy thing to do. Just take their metadata and just try it again on the any platform. But my favorite platform is Aristotle because there are tons of coins are just getting launched on Pump.fun, and this one directly launched the SPL token, which is a real token of Solana. So I'm good with this one. Let me update the image. Everything is done. So the authority options, they're not really tricky. The revoke freeze is required already, so the revoke means it prevents for further token minting. You can't mint more. Revoke update means like you can't update the metadata or anything on your coin. These are like really important. If I'm going to make a successful launch, I gotta choose all of them. That's like have to do it. So once I create the coin, it will take me to there will be a pop-up. I'm guessing the password. I gotta enter my password first. Yeah, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check my coin on SolScan. If it's minted, something's wrong or not. No, nothing is wrong with it. It's minted, everything seems perfect. So I can go back to creating the liquidity pool. It's on the same tool, the Iris tools. The token is PIS. They got this good interface, so they just find my token when I write it. I don't have to copy and paste the contract address and shit. So 0.2 for the that's my mistake. It was for Solana. So I'm gonna go with 100% and change the first time with 2 because it gotta look like it came from Pump.fun, but it's actually not coming from Pump.fun. I'm launching it on PumpSwap because I have the control over the liquidity. I can burn it whenever I want, and I can do whatever I want with it. So that's the reason why I'm creating my tokens on PumpSwap directly instead of Pump.fun. I don't want to mess with the bonding curve and shit. Doesn't make sense to me. I mean, like, I've tried a few times. If you look at my older videos, you will see that whenever I try to launch something on Pump.fun, people just ignore it. They only buy the stuff which are like super oversold, So this is like how much I make when I launch a coin on SPL, but on PumpSwap, and I have the suffix function. So the website allows me to own a coin with the pump at the end. It's basically the same thing. Creating token on Pump.fun, it's just basically the same thing. So when I'm gonna calculate my profit out of this one, it's gonna be very good if I was going to do it. But this is, an educational video, and I'm against that kind of stuff. So I suggest you to do more stuff like market your coins on Dexscreener. They got very good tools right now. Like you can buy boosts and stuff there. Also, they sell more information update and stuff. So make your coin and market it on Dexscreener, in my opinion, if you're like not looking for quick money. If not, I got nothing to say about it. That's it for me today. Peace out. I wish you all good luck. Please make sure you subscribe. If you're not, please subscribe because it will mean a lot to me. I'm just trying to grow my channel. I'm gonna put more videos in it and stuff, So take care, everyone.